What's up guys, I've gathered the top 10 legitimate websites to actually make money from the comfort of your home. The best part is you can get started and get paid as early as today. I've made sure to only gather sites that I have personally used or verified by others, so without further ado, let's get into our list. By the way, I highly recommend watching all the way through because you want to capitalize on all of these websites, if not most of them, since some of these only give limited opportunities per day to earn money. Now let's get into the list. Enroll is the first website on our list as number 10. This is a service that is for anyone with a laptop or a smartphone. It is a user testing website where you can test out products, product design, services, and more. Testing requires anywhere between 30 to 75 seconds to complete in a form of a questionnaire. You simply sign up to the website and choose all the devices that you're available to test on. Enroll will pay you anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per test, and sometimes even $10. The only downside is that you may not be receiving a lot of tests, so I would definitely sign up and be ready when a test becomes available for extra coffee money. Some of the reviews do mention that the pay is little, but the earnings will increase per test as you complete them. Number 9 is Honeygain. This is for anyone with a computer or an Android phone with a reliable internet connection, because you are going to be paid to share your internet data with others to help gather publicly available web data that is crucial for businesses to improve on their services and more. For example, they're able to use the internet's geolocation to improve their ad ranking, compare prices, and even prevent ad fraud. Another use case would be allowing someone that isn't able to watch Netflix due to their country restriction to watch the content. The best part about this is that it's pretty much a passive income source, since you just need to have the app running on your computer or your smartphone. You get paid depending on how much data you want to share, ranging from 2 gigabytes to 200 gigabytes of shared internet. According to the website, you can earn up to $60 a month or even $67 with content delivery. The company also ensures privacy and data security, and payouts are sent via PayPal or JumpTask. There are currently over 250,000 people with an average payout of $26.58 per month. The only thing I'm concerned is definitely the privacy and your data. Even though the company insures it, you just never know if you can possibly get hacked or something like that. Next, we have Google Opinion Rewards. From the name itself, you know this is a legitimate service since it's run by Google. It's for anyone with a smartphone, and you simply take quick surveys on your phone when they become available. These surveys will only take a few seconds to minutes to complete, and the app itself has over 2 million overall positive reviews. I've actually also done this in the past, and I can assure you that it's legit and fast. You can get paid roughly 10 cents per survey and need $1 minimum in order to get paid, which isn't too bad. Answering polls will also give you a higher chance of receiving test invites. To get started, download the app and sign up with basic information. Definitely not the craziest money, but hey, why not answer a couple of questions and get paid while you're doing your dirty business at the toilet?
Oh, that's real nice.
Alright, number 7 on our list, we have Rakuten. This is a perfect website if you're a heavy shopper or you're someone who frequently shops online or in store. Rakuten allows you to earn cashback anywhere from 2 to 20% on your spending online or in store. You can even earn cashback on travel as well. I personally use this myself along with other similar services, and I've racked up hundreds of dollars, and it's probably one of my favorite methods to earn some side cash because it just feels so good when you get the cashback. It's like you're getting a discount almost like illegally but legally. It's very simple to do, and I think if you're going to spend any money on shopping, why not get a discount or get paid for things you've already planned on spending? Payouts are either through a mail, check, or PayPal. Number 6, we have the Webull investing app. This can be accessed through the website or the phone and is perfect for those who are looking to start investing and earn appreciation on stocks and ETFs. Honestly, there is no better better time to invest than today when everything is on sale due to the recession. Also, the market has always gone up historically, so not investing in it is just playing dumb. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description that you can sign up and get started with free stocks. We are now halfway through our list and it only gets better from here. For number 5, we have Swagbucks. This is a website that I personally use almost every week because of the awesome opportunities and free cash grabs. Basically, you get free gift cards and cash for taking paid surveys or signing up for services that are normally free. Out of hundreds of offers available each day, an example offer that I recently did is to play a game of bingo and get $30 for it. Although it took about 2 to 3 days to complete the offer, I had fun doing it and got rewarded for it. As you can see, my lifetime earning here is 71,000 Swagbucks, which is about $710. Pay can vary depending on the offer, but it's around $30 to $100 per offer, and sometimes even more. You don't require any money to do the offers, and payouts are sent via gift cards or PayPal. Out of everything on this list, I highly recommend using this service because there are really easy offers like signing up for a trial, which doesn't take much time. Coming in at number 4 is Usertesting.com. This is another testing website where you give feedback for testing services or products. They offer tests based on your profile and demographic. This site is great because of how it's trustworthy, with big name brands using it for their tests to improve on their product, and you can earn up to $60 per test. You simply sign up and go through setting up your profile, then the tests are given out based on screening, and the average test earned is $10 per test. That's not bad. Another benefit of Usertesting.com is that they give out 1 to 2 tests daily, and as you receive 5-star rating as a tester, you will receive more frequently. This is the exact reason I ranked this in the top 5, because you get more opportunities to earn. However, you do need a microphone since every test requires you to record your screen and your voice for feedback. Now let's get into top 3. Number 3 is Clearvoice freelancing website. This is great for someone who is willing to take the freelancing job to the next level. You can offer services such as copywriting, editing, graphic design, videography, and more. There are more limited available services that you can offer, but what's different between this and other freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork is that you just need to put up your portfolio here and they will give you the job. The benefit of this is that you do not need to undercut other freelancers' pricing, and you're able to get more accurate pay for your worth. All you need to do is focus on providing quality work, and the talent network will assign and match your expertise and your rate. Payments are sent through PayPal, and Clearvoice takes 20% commission. The payout rate is about $100 for a 1,000 word article, which is about 10 cents per word. But realistically, you can expect about 30 cents per word since the average per work is about $380. If you're wondering how serious you can get on this website, a person named Anne made $103,000 in 1 year writing articles for this website. That's not bad for working from the comfort of your home. Next up on our list is perfect for those online keyboard warriors, because number 2 is Scribie. Is that how you pronounce it? Anyways, it's an online transcription freelancing service, and this is perfect for people who can type fast and accurately. And in case you're worried about typing too much, the website offers you an automated transcript, so you only have to correct what the auto speech recognition failed to do. You can also work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. In essence, you can generate about $100 to $1,600 a month. And similar to Clearvoice, you do not need to look for a gig because they will automatically assign you to the work. They've also been in business since 2008, so you know it's credible. Oh, and did I mention that you can choose the audio files to work on after you listen to them? That means you can be selective and have the freedom to work whenever and whatever you want. A longtime freelancer transcriber enjoys working for Scribe because they offer a lot of files to transcribe, and she gets to spend time with her son at home. Last but not least, this one is pretty special. Neighbor is number 1 on our list because of high earning potential for passive income. That's right, This one is a passive income because Neighbor allows you to rent out pretty much any space in or outside your house that you have available as storage to other people. You can choose to rent out an entire garage or just a portion of it. I think if you have any available space laying around, this is a no-brainer since you can earn some extra cash. Besides just storage space, you can offer a parking space as well. Here are some of the payouts that you can expect. For a garage, you can earn between $100 to $600 a month. A driveway will earn between $50 to $150. Shed will earn $50 to $200, and a parking space will earn $50 to $300 per month. The payouts are then automatically sent out to your bank account each month, and the company will also give you up to $1 million in coverage and property protection. I think this is an excellent choice for many people since it's very simple to do. Now that wraps up our list, and if you're really serious about more side hustles outside of your home, then check out this video for all the list of side hustles that you can do that are not found anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and hit the bell notification to not miss out on future videos. Peace.